You need traffic. That's just the way it is. You have to have traffic if you want to make money online. If nobody knows about you, you're not making any money. That really is the bottom line. Now, how do you get that traffic? Well, one way is to spend tens of thousands of dollars on paid ads. Another way, though, is to send out emails to 35,000 buyer leads who are already verified, waiting to hear from you, and you can do it for a ridiculous price. Plus, I've gotten the same bonus as always. I'm going to tell you all about it's coming up in my review of Mail My Members. Okay, we're looking right now at the sales page for Mail My Members. This is, of course, my friend Dawood. And basically what he's doing is he's going to allow you to send out emails to all 35,000 of his people every single day. So basically you get on a rotator and you get to send out emails to all these different people. Obviously, the faster you get on, the more chances you have to actually mail to these people and to get them excited about what you have to offer. It's really, really very simple. I'll show you the members in just a second. I do want to tell you about my custom bonus though, because, well, as always, anybody who knows me knows very, very well that I am absolutely going to give you the very best custom bonus that you could possibly imagine ever getting. And boy, do I have a huge, huge selection for you today. So first of all, I found a brand new website that AI website that actually creates websites in 60 seconds flat. Literally everything's totally done for you. Simply give it a prompt and it will actually create the entire website for you, start to finish, the whole thing. Totally done for you. Of course, I'm not done yet. After all, I am the man in the hat.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I know you are too, but right now we're talking about me. Anyway, but seriously. Okay, speaking of that, another thing that I want to show you is a new AI system that I found, which actually allows you to spy on your competitors and find out how they rank so you can rank better than they do, because you know exactly what they're doing and you can match it and also match what other people are doing. Really, really cool stuff. Definitely one of the better bonuses I have. Definitely not crap.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
Newman. Dude, don't talk to me about crap. Seriously, don't. Seriously. Anyway, how about another bonus, which will actually take your long form videos and turn them into instant TikToks. This is a really, really cool system that you can use and turn them into text. By the way, it's free. Another one that I found will take any image and turn it into a talking video. Actually, you can check it out on my website. Actually, I have a video of Elon Musk doing a little ditty on my website that you can check out. But I'm not done yet. What about TikTok? I know TikTok, there's this whole controversy that maybe it'll get banned, whatever. Right now, it's still trending, it's still hot, and it's even hotter because a lot of people are nervous about it. So this is time to get some stuff going on there. How about being able to use AI to figure out what's trending on TikTok and find the perfect hashtags for TikTok? Another bonus I'm giving you. But I'm not done yet. I've also got a brand new video editor, which is completely online and completely free. You don't have to pay for it. And I show you exactly how to use it. But I'm still not done yet. What if I also show you how to get ads done in all the different various sizes? Because there's like about 15 different sizes you need. And you can do it basically for next to nothing. Plus, I'm going to show you how to get retargeting ads super cheap. I'm still not done yet. I'm also going to show you another AI system I found, which will remove the background from any image instantly. And I'm also going to show you another AI system, which will actually create perfect transcriptions or subtitles in 97 different languages. And it's free forever without you even needing to sign up to use the thing. But how about also, I'll show you how to get instant headlines that are perfect every single time. And finally, I've got another alternative to ChatGPT. This one is really, really cool because actually, unlike ChatGPT or pretty much anything else, it actually shows you its thought process. It's actually thinking through the question that tells it to you. And it's designed for learning so that you can really see exactly how to do things. It's very, very different than most other chatbots. All of these courses you're going to get from me with full PLR rights. It means you can sell them, you can give them away, use them as your own bonus. And the nice thing about this is that because you get all these things from me with PLR rights, you can actually use them as a bonus to give away to get the people from Darwood's list onto your list and actually start building up and getting yourself some real buyer leads. And of course, you have an amazing treasure trove of different stuff to actually choose from. So let me go ahead and show you the members area real quick. It's pretty simple. Basically, just test your URL, make sure it works, submit it, and you're done. That's it. There is nothing else to do. It is super duper simple, and they will start sending out for you immediately. Obviously, the sooner you get on, the more likely you are to get some decent traffic from this deal. So yeah, it's really, really very, very, very simple to use this system. So simple, in fact, that this is the way to become a real entrepreneur.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yes, thank you, Liz Lemon. That's very sweet of you. A little late in the party, though. It's at the end of the video. And now you're first talking. Well, she doesn't have good timing, I guess. But seriously, yeah, let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You the man!
Yeah, seriously, okay? You the man. This is really, really awesome. As always, simple way to get traffic for $10. You know, even if you only get a handful of the 35,000 people, well worth the money because you get a massive amount of bonuses from me. And of course, even getting 50 or 100 leads out of this makes it worth it every single time. Grab this. This is good. You're going to love it.